Hi, my name is Hannah Hatton, and I'm the Registrar for Living Faith Bible Institute. And I'm here to welcome you to your summer course of Manuscript Evidence. And so, the first thing I want to address is the fact that this is a self paced course, which just means that each lecture and quiz you take unlocks the following lecture. So you're going to start with week one. So you'll watch week one lecture, and then you'll take week one quiz, and then you'll be able to access week two, so on and so forth. The only thing that's a little bit different for this class is once you hit week four, there will not be a quiz. Instead, you will have to take the midterm exam to open up week five. And so this exam is just in place of that quiz, but it will cover weeks 1 through 4 content. So just remember that. And there's a little note in week 4 to remind you. But this class is just a class that's going to examine the historical and cultural settings in which the scriptures were inspired. And it also explores the history of preservation and translation from the original manuscripts to today. So this is some core information that is awesome for us to know and be able to understand in light of God's word. Your teacher assistant for the class is Teresa Cardona. Her email's right there at the top of your syllabus. So she's your main point of contact for the class. So anything you have questions about or whatever it may be, you will want to reach out to her. You have your measurable learning outcomes, so you can read through those, and it's just by the end of this course, those are the things that you should be able to do and understand, and kind of argue against the postmodern theological scholarship, which is caused by relative truth and the lack of an absolute standard. So you can read through those and just get more familiar with things that you're going to learn this semester. But let's look at the required assignments real quick. So you have those post-lecture quizzes that you'll have to complete after each lecture. And then you also have a book review over the book Many Infallible Proofs by Henry Morris. And so you have some explanation there on what that book review is going to look like. So just walk through those steps because it really does outline exactly how to write your paper. Here's the thing though, you are only responsible for reading chapters 1 to 4 and then chapters 12 to 20 in the book. So make sure you do that before you start writing this book review. And then, of course, like always for LFBI, you want to follow Chicago Manual style for your essay formatting. And then I already mentioned the midterm exam, so you'll have that in week 4. And then you will have your final exam that you're going to need to take by August 6th at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So you will find everything in terms of your big assignment, so this book review and those 2 exams at the very top of your page on your My LFBI, and then your quizzes will fall under each of the lectures. We're excited for you to get started this summer. And like I said, Teresa Cardona is your TA, and we're praying that this is an edifying semester for you. Have a great summer.